Hi my dear students, very good morning. Now today I am going to inaugurate with question number 7, exercise 2.3. Now let it see this question my dear students. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. I means my dear student, there is one car. That car covering 16 kilometer distance in 1 liter petrol. So, here what is the question? How much distance will it cover using 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol? So, we have to find, my dear students, in 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol, how much distance it will cover. So, let it see, my dear students, how to find. Given. What is given? So, let it write down solution. Given, my dear students, what is given? A car travel distance 16 kilometer in 1 liter petrol. Okay. Now, what to find? We have to find how much distance will it cover using 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol. So, write down this. See, my dear student, I will tell you simple method how to write the sentence. What to find? In that, remove the question tag and this question. See here what is given. This question tag you have to remove, and what it is asking, remove that part. How much remove it, and the remaining sentence you write down. And you have to make this interrogative sentence simple sentence. That is the way of writing. So let it write down, my dear student. So how will you write now? So the distance will cover by the car using 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol. So how to write now? So only you write the distance. How much you forget, don't write. Question tag remove. Now you start writing the distance covered by the distance covered by car using 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol is equal to 2 by 3 to 3 by 4 of 16 kilometer. Why, my dear students? Because we know that a car is traveling 16 kilometer distance in 1 liter petrol. Then in 2 and 3 by 4 liters, how much distance will cover by the car? We have to find out. So I will take simple example to make understand you, my dear students. See, if price of 1 pen is 5 rupees, then what will be the price for 2 pen? We will do the multiplication. I mean, in 1 liter, how much distance covered by car is given. Then we have to find how much distance it will cover in 2 and 3 by 4 liters. So definitely what to do? Multiplication. If suppose in spite of giving for 1 liter petrol, it is given for 2 liter, 3 liter, then first we have to do the division. First we have to find for first liter how much distance covering in first liter, and then to get other distance, how much other distance it is covering in 3 liters or 4 liters, then we will do the multiplication. But here already it is given to you in 1 liter it is traveling 16 kilometer. Then in 2 and 3 by 4 liters, how much distance will cover by the car? What to do? We will do the multiplication, because already it is given in 1 liter 16 kilometer it is traveling. If in spite of 1 liter it is given 2 liter, 3 liter it is traveling this much distance, then first we have to find for the first liter. After getting first liter, then we will do the multiplication. but already it is given for first liter in 1 liter how much distance it is covering, and therefore in order to determine in 2 and 3 by 4 liters how much distance covered by car is equal to 2 and 3 by 4 of 16 kilometer. Or means what? We will multiply, my dear student. We will do multiplication. I hope so everybody understood, my dear student, why I am doing multiplication. I gave one example just now. So by using that concept, we will do this. Okay? If price of 1 pen is 5, then what will be the price for 2 pen? We will do multiplication. And therefore here also, if in 1 liter it is traveling 16 kilometer, then in 2 and 3 by 4 liter, how much distance it will travel? We will do the multiplication. 2 and 3 by 4 will multiply 16 kilometer. Then we will come to know, my dear student, how much distance it will cover in this 2 and 3 by 4 liter. So let me do that, my dear students. So 2 and 3 by 4 means what? First convert into multiply with the 16. Now before doing multiplication with 16, first convert into simple fraction. How to convert? 4 multiply with 2. 4 2s are 8. Now take into the numerator and do the addition with the 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. Now multiply with the 16, my dear student. See, it is a multiplication. Nothing in the denominator, you can take 1. And then do the multiplication. Numerator term will multiply with numerator term. Denominator term will multiply denominator terms. And one more thing you can do, my dear student, without doing multiplication. What you can do? When whatever term given in the numerator in the second fraction and which possess the multiple of denominator of the first fraction or second fraction, we can do directly cancellation in multiplication, my dear student, not in addition or subtraction. It is possible only in multiplication. So here directly you can do cancellation. 4 4 is 16. Now what is remain? 4 and this 11. 11 will multiply 4. In denominator what is remain? 1 1. So 1 will multiply with 1. This 11 will multiply 4. So what is coming, my dear student? 11 4 is 44. Divided by 1 is nothing but 44. Now what is this 44? 44 kilometer. So my dear students, this car will cover 44 kilometer in 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol. I hope so everybody understood, my dear students. Okay, thank you very much. Now other lecture we will see in the next coming video lecture.